The software gives you the option of saving groups of objects, texts, symbols, and even finished scenes so that you can use them again in your next projects, therefore saving considerable time. These elements are saved via a file in the .set format. Firstly, let's look at the example of decoration. You are used to regularly using the same decorative objects. The idea is to save a list of decorative elements to reuse them later without having to search for them again, element by element. Select the item or items you wish to save. You can select any type of object. Then in the File drop-down menu, choose Save Selection. Save the file where you want. You can, for example, create a .set file in your documents or on your desktop. Once the file has been saved, you can use it at any time, in any scene. To do so, just go to the File drop-down menu, choose Import, and then Scene. Here you will find your favourite .set type files. The file is then directly imported to the scene you are working on. Note that the elements were grouped together when the file was exported, so you need to separate them to work on them individually. To do so, go to the Selection drop-down menu and click on Ungroup. You can then move the items one by one. Be aware, the elements you save keep the same altitude that they had when you saved them. Another usage for the .set files is technical plans. Indeed, you can decide to save the texts you use the most commonly while creating your technical plan. In the future, all you need to do is import the file when you need it. This will save you a non-negligible amount of time. Careful, when it comes to saving text, it must be imported into the view in which it was exported. That is, if you save your text in top view, you must also import it in top view. If you save them in elevation view, you will have to import them in elevation view. The trick is to create two technical drawing files, one in top view and one in elevation view. This requirement only affects 2D text and objects. 3D objects can be saved and imported in any view.